Hi there, I'm Amanda Mushrow, a writer for AutoInsurance.com. Shopping around for auto insurance is always a smart move, especially if you're a high-risk driver. Today, we're looking at Dairyland Insurance, a company that specializes in non-standard auto insurance, meaning its policies are designed for high-risk drivers who may have violations on their record, like little driving experience or lapses in coverage. While its rates are typically higher than average, if you're struggling to find affordable coverage elsewhere, it could be a good option. Let's take a closer look to see if Dairyland is the right fit for you, and be sure to check out our full written review on autoinsurance.com for more details. Dairyland is backed by its parent company, Century Insurance, which has been in business for over 100 years. Established in 1953 and acquired by Century 13 years later, Dairyland focuses on providing auto and motorcycle insurance for high-risk drivers, including those who need to file an SR22 or an FR44. The company operates in 38 states, so check out the link below to see if your state is on the list. Let's talk about cost. On average, a full coverage policy with Dairyland runs about $4,415 per year. That's a lot higher than the national average of $2,399. If you're looking at minimum coverage, expect to pay around $2,007 annually. Since Dairyland focuses on high-risk drivers, their rates tend to be higher than standard providers. But if you need high-risk insurance, especially if you have an SR22, their pricing might actually be competitive compared to other options. Your actual quote could be higher or lower, but if you're in the high-risk category, be prepared to pay more than the national average. Even though Dairyland Insurance tends to be more expensive than most other insurers, they offer several discounts to help lower your costs. If you get a quote at least a week before your policy starts, you can qualify for an advanced quote discount. Homeowners can also save, even though Dairyland doesn't offer homeowners insurance or bundling options. If you have a home insured with another provider, you can still get a discount on your auto policy. And in some states, you may also qualify for a discount if you have renter's insurance through another company Dairyland partners with, My Life Protected, for renters coverage. Another way to save is through Dairyland's transfer discount, which is a little more unique. If you switch to Dairyland after having coverage with another insurer for at least 6 months, you can get a discount. Even if there's been a small gap in your coverage, you might still qualify, depending on your state. To take advantage of this, you'll need to provide a copy of your most recent policy declarations page. When it comes to coverage, Dairyland offers all of the standard auto insurance coverages you'd expect, like collision and comprehensive, but they also offer a few add-on options. Their lien holder coverage, commonly known as gap insurance, helps cover the remaining balance on your loan or lease if your car is totaled. Special equipment coverage helps cover damages if you've customized your vehicle or added aftermarket parts. They also offer roadside assistance, which can come in handy if you need fuel delivery, a battery replacement, or a locksmith when you're stranded. What about their customer service? Well, Dairyland's parent company, Century Insurance, has a solid financial reputation. Century has earned a superior A+ rating from AM Best every year since 1992, which is a good sign that they have the financial strength to pay out claims. Of course, getting a claim approved is another story, but once it is, you can feel confident that the payout will come through. That said, customer satisfaction is mixed. According to the NAIC Customer Complaint Index, Dairyland receives a relatively high number of complaints, scoring a 2.69, meaning they get more than 2.5 times the complaints of the average insurer. The 2025 Crash Network Insurer Report Card also gave Century Insurance a C rating, ranking it 70th out of 97 companies. This report measures how easy insurance companies are to work with from the perspective of repair shops, which can directly affect your claims experience. While a C rating suggests the process might not be the smoothest, Century's score was similar to major insurers like Nationwide and Travelers, and actually ranked higher than State Farm, Allstate, and USAA. Dairyland offers a few different ways to get a quote, purchase a policy, and file a claim. You can do it online, over the phone or through an independent agent. However, Dairyland's mobile app doesn't have the best reputation. On the App Store, users report login issues and say the app doesn't save credentials. The Google Play Store ratings is slightly better, but recent reviews mention frequent glitches and crashes, likely due to compatibility problems with newer phones. Hopefully, these issues will be resolved with future updates. Who is Dairyland best for? High-risk drivers with prior violations or have gaps in insurance coverage. Also, drivers who need to insure a motorcycle or other vehicles such as RVs and ATVs. Who is Dairyland not great for? Drivers with a clean driving record who are looking for cheap coverage, also drivers looking to bundle policies, or who live in one of the 12 states or Washington, D.C., where Dairyland doesn't provide coverage. Bottom line, Dairyland specializes in non-standard auto insurance for high-risk drivers and is available in 38 states. While its rates are higher than average due to its riskier drivers it insures, it can be a solid option for those who have trouble getting coverage elsewhere or need to file an SR22 or an FR44. That's it for our breakdown of Dairyland. Before you leave, check out the other videos on our channel for reviews and comparisons for dozens of auto insurance companies, and check out autoinsurance.com for the inside scoop on all things related to car insurance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.